Hello dear children. This video is on the poem A Happy Child from Marigold textbook in English for class 1. The main objective of this video is to be able to listen, read and comprehend the poem, to be able to recite the poem, to be able to know the phonic sound of some 2 or 3 lettered words, to know the meanings and usage of new words. So let us read and enjoy the poem. A Happy Child. Let us sing. Come on, join me. My house is red, a little house, a happy child am I. My house is red, a little house, a happy child am I. I laugh and play the whole day long, I hardly ever cry. I laugh and play the whole day long, I hardly ever cry. I have a tree, a green, green tree, to shade me from the sun, and under it I often sit when all my play is done. I have a tree, a green, green tree, to shade me from the sun, and under it I often sit when all my play is done. My house is red, a little house, a happy child am I. I laugh and play the whole day long, I hardly ever cry. I have a tree, a green, green tree, to shade me from the sun, and under it I often sit when all my play is done. Did you like the poem? So, this poem is on the happy, happy child. And what is the color of the house? The color of the house is red. The house is a little house. So, we have come across some new words like happy, red, house, little, and also words like laugh, cry, tree, green, sun. Isn't it? Now, let us focus on some of the new words here. Let us know the phonic sound of some words here. The first word on the screen is red. So, let us see what is the phonic sound. R, E, D, red. I repeat. R, E, D, red. The next word is, yes, you can see it on the screen. Let us see the phonic sound of this word. I, S, is. I repeat. I, S, is. The next word, am, am. I repeat, am. The next word we have here is day, d, y, day. I repeat, d, y, day. The last and the final word we have here is sun. Let us see the phonic sound. S, n. Again. S, n. Sun. Hope it helps you. We can see a picture here. What is this picture? Yes, This is a nest. Who lives in a nest? Yes, a bird lives in a nest. So, nest is the house of a bird, isn't it? Now, let us see what we have here on the slide. Okay? So, we see that the first new word is house, and we have picture of a nest. So, we can make a sentence with this picture. Nest is the house of a bird. Clear? Let us see what sentence I have here for you. A very simple sentence. My house is small. Okay, let us try to make some other sentence with this same thing. Let us change the opposite here. Now, we have got a word small here, isn't it? What is the opposite of small? The opposite of small is big. So, can we change this sentence and use the word big? Of course, yes. My house is big. How do we pronounce this? What are the sounds? B, I, G is big, isn't it? Now, let us see what other pictures I have here. I have got another picture for you. That is the picture of a house, a very big house. Just now we made a sentence. So let us make the sentence again. This house is big. Okay. Let us see what else we have here. Here we have got an igloo. So, is there any difference between both the houses? Yes. This house is made of brick. This is made of ice. And the house of the bird is made of dry grass. Isn't it? So let us make a sentence with the last picture. Igloo is a house of snow. Right? So, like this, you can make your own sentences. These were just a sample sentences only to help you to make your own sentences. Hope you can do it. Let us go to the next word is little. Let us see what picture can help us. Oh, we have got two little kittens. Where are they? In the basket. So we can make a sentence with this. Let us see what sentence we can make. Yes, two little kittens were in the basket. You can also write two little kittens are in the basket, isn't it? I've got some more pictures for you. Now here you can see a little boy. A little boy is trying to do something. Yes, trying to climb up the stool, isn't it? So let us make a sentence out of this picture. The little boy climbed the stool. Did it help you? Can I have another picture for you? Oh yes, here there is a picture of a hole, isn't it? And who lives in this hole? Have you seen such holes in the house? Yes, a mouse lives in the hole, isn't it? And how is the mouse or a rat? A little one. So can we make a sentence with the help of this picture and the animal rat or mouse? Yes, the little mouse or rat lives in this hole, or the little mouse is in this hole. Can we draw a mouse here? Oh yes, a simple mouse. So The little mouse is in this hole. Hope you can make a sentence with the word little. So, let us see the next word. The very picture says, yes, what is this color? Very nice. This color is red. So, our next word is, yes, our next word is red. It is a color, isn't it? Now, let us see what pictures we have here which can help us to make some sentences. So, I have got the rose is red. The rose, you can see in the picture, it is red. Now, I have got one more picture for you, and that is the picture of a bag. So, let us do one thing. Let us make it very simple. Let us change this word rose and add the word bag. What is this word? Bag. What would be the sound? B, a, g. Bag. B, a, g. Bag. So let us put bag instead of rose. So what would be our sentence? The bag is red. Yes. Let us see what do we have in the next picture. Our next picture, we have a car. So again, can we change the word rose and can we put car? Yes, the car is red. You can also write, I have a red bag. I have a red car. I have a red rose. That is also correct. You can also write, there is a red rose on the plant, isn't it? So, the sentences which we got here is, the bag is red. R, e, d. My car is red. Isn't it? Or, I have a red rose. So, we have used the word red in different sentences. Let us go to our next word. Oh, what does the picture say you? What is this? This is a tree. How is this tree? This tree is big. Let us change a simple word here. You can see we have got the word big here. Let us write the opposite of big. What would be the opposite of big? The opposite of big is small, isn't it? So what can we write? What sentence can we make now? The tree is small. Lovely. We also learned the opposite of the word big. Very nice. Let us see what other picture we have here. We have got here a picture of another tree. But there are some fruits hanging from the tree. So what is this tree? Yes, this is a mango tree. Another picture we have here. Yes, we just now saw that the nest is the house of a home of a bird, isn't it? And where is the nest? The nest is on the tree. Yes. So can we make a sentence? How many sentences we made? The tree is big, or the tree is small, or this is a mango tree. Mango tree, or you can make the nest is on the tree. You can also write there are mangoes on the trees. That also you can write, isn't it? So let us write the nest is on the tree. Right? Okay. I hope you have understood how you can make sentences with the word tree. Our next word is sun. What a happy bright sun. And it is a star. Can we add both these words? Sun and star. So, after adding these two words, can we make a sentence? Oh yes. Sun is a star. The sun shines in the, come on, sun shines in the morning. The sun, what is the color here? Yes, the sun is yellow. The sun is bright, isn't it? Shining bright. The sun is yellow. The sun is shining bright, or you can also write the sun is bright. The sun gives us heat and light. What are the sounds? S, sun. S, sun, isn't it? Let us see what do we have the next word here. The sun gives us heat and light. Oh, cry. When we cry, we look very sad, isn't it? Crying makes us feel sad. Now let us see what pictures we have here. Oh, the baby is crying. Or I have given you some nice sentences here. I do not cry on silly things. I cry to watch TV or to get some toys, or when I want ice cream. Oh, yes. My little sister does not cry at school. So that can be also a very nice sentence. Thank you. Hope this video helps you to learn the poem and also learn the usage of the new words. Bye. Take care. Be happy. Be safe.